Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY A6 portable speaker and you need to restore the factory default settings on it via a hard reset. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe everything off of this speaker so that you can just set it up as something new. We can go ahead and do this and it's really easy to do. You'll notice there is actually a reset button on it. So what you want to do with this reset button is you will need probably a paper clip or a pen or something like that to push in there, and you're going to need to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until you hear the speaker will actually make like a sound indicating that it's happening, the reset is happening, and the status indicator light will flash red, will give a quick flash red. Once you do that, you can release this reset button and just allow it to do its reset. It'll take about a minute, and when it starts flashing white and then begins to flash orange, now it's ready to be set up again to a new Wi-Fi network and all that kind of stuff, just like you're setting up a brand new speaker.